Welcome to the tutorial on how to set custom buttons on your Nikon D750. Camera buttons can be your new shortcut. Set them for what you use most, so you shoot faster, fumble less. Method 1. Using the menu. Press the menu button on your camera. Navigate to the custom setting menu, pencil icon. Select F controls, and then choose, for example, Assign FN button or Assign PV button. Select Press and choose the desired function for FN button from the list, for example, Flash Off. Press the OK button to confirm your selection. Repeat the setting process to customize the PV button. For example, choose Viewfinder Virtual Horizon. Check that you have FN and PV buttons activated by going to G1 and G2 options, then choose AF on. Exit the menu when finished. Now let's check if the buttons are customized and work correctly. Activate the flash, then try to take a photo with it. Then press the FN button while the flash is activated. You will see that the flash will turn off during the shooting. Method 2. Using the I button. While in viewfinder mode, press the I button. Navigate to the desired button using the multi-selector. Press the OK button to enter the submenu. Select the desired function from the list. Press the OK to confirm your selection. Press the I button again to exit the menu. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for this camera in the playlist linked in the description below.